Hi, and good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, I guess I'll introduce myself. Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter.
Sherry, hi.
And we have come together. Oh, I don't want to show my address. Oh. So it is the Creative Notions. And I turned it over when I got up here in the sewing room and it made a clunk and I went, oh my gosh, is there something breakable in it? And did I just break something? I tell you, it never felt like anything was glass or anything in it until I actually had to turn it over right side or upside down or whatever. Anyway, so let's get started. And here is what the package looks like. Open it up here. And there is a pattern, which is absolutely adorable. Hopefully the light's not catching that. Baby, it's cold outside. Look how he's got his little quilted shawl on. That's what I'm thinking. Take it out of this package. Show what made the noise that I thought broke.
It's not breakable, but it can break stuff.
There it is without the glare. Okay.
This pair of scissors. Very
yes.
Heavy scissors.
Heavy. And I love them with the opening like this because of my arthritic fingers now. My knuckles and everything are bigger. And yeah, see how you got
mine are too.
Fingers in there. Yep. That's nice looking.
Yeah, those are nice. They're big. They're heavy. And it says, it says Creative Notions on it. Look at that.
Yeah.
I think you can see it there.
Yeah.
I hope. All right.
Okay. Got some.
So what's that called? The color.
The color of what?
The color of the scissors.
Rainbow. That's all I can think of. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty.
Rainbow.
I like it.
Ooh, here is the Barn Star 3-inch magnet. Ooh, isn't that pretty in red and white? That is very pretty.
Hey, that can go with your magnets.
Yes. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's nice.
Yes, it is.
Reminds me of fireworks. I mean, I know it's not a July box, but you know.
That's the Lone Star. That's what that's called. Okay.
The colors looks like it burst.
So we have some strawberry star fruit Skittles. That's what it says. Skittles.
Yeah, put it in water.
I know.
Oh, okay.
That's right. I know what to do with it.
Oh, you said, it's Skittles. Well, no, it's not Skittles.
Here's a layered Mexican salad. That looks interesting. Okay, here.
Oh.
Do something. Except looking pretty.
Thought I was going to do the recipe.
No, well. Okay.
Oh, it's a yo-yo maker.
Yes.
What am I looking at?
I got a couple, but I do not have that one. That's a bigger one.
I'm trying not to get a glare there. Trying not to get a glare.
Yep.
I like that. I don't know what it does.
Well, there, it shows you on the bag what they got.
But is it?
But you can do all kinds of things with it. Okay, and here we have, look at that.
A pattern.
Based on that.
Oh, magnet.
Yes.
Lone Star.
Yes. That looks nice.
Oh,
the block of the month.
We're opening it.
It'll be 27.5 by 27.5. Okay. It's just a little bit rough to wear there. Okay. You can do this one here if I can get it out. I don't like the glare. There you go.
You said 27.5?
That's what, yeah. You trying to figure that out?
Yes.
Well, start
That's
with
a good size.
Here's a 1.
Well, here's a 1 over here. And there's 27.5. Good gosh.
Yeah, and then you can go around it.
That's not a mug rug. That's a half a table rug. No, I don't know. It's good size. Okay, this says Barn Star Quilt Block of the Month Amish Star. Is there just one piece of paper? Nope, there's 2. Okay, I thought there were 2. Otherwise, it's really thick paper. Okay. And then, of course, the back of it.
And on one of these, because I haven't read anything at all, we're going to have some type of stabilizer, because that's what this is. This is a stabilizer. Oh, look at this.
Cutting assembly.
Ooh. The back part looks like you would take that off and iron on something. Can you see how that glitters? Well, there you go.
Oh, there you go. I can see it.
Yeah, I don't know what that's going to go on.
Is she up there?
Who?
Amy.
No.
I thought I heard her.
Let's look at our fabric.
Sorry.
Oh, wait a minute. Here's some buttons,
So
too.
you forgot something. There's something you're missing. There you go.
Here we got some buttons. I would figure that would be the snowman eyes or something, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Eyes in the mouth.
His eyes in his mouth. Yep. And I'm going to guess that this is used for his buttons down his, down there, yeah.
Can you make a bag with that? Not a bag, but a like a coin purse.
I don't see why not.
Like a little circle.
No, you can.
You know what I mean? Because that looks like you could put elastic in there and it could open and something. You know what I mean?
I know, but that's shutting it is what it's doing. Because you put that face down on whatever you do it on or make it on.
Okay.
Okay.
I was just trying to think of something. This is Warp and Weft. Premium yarn dyes.
Yep.
Okay.
Cotton?
Okay. Yes, 100% cotton right there.
Yep. There you go.
And do you want me to open this pack or do you want me to just turn around and show them?
Just turn around and show the back of it, yeah.
And then those are all
That's for making the quilt and the not the binding, but the border all the way around. Because there's 42 in that package.
I'm glad you said that. I didn't even read it. And those are 5x5s.
Yep. And then we have his nose, which is the orange fabric. That's going to be his nose.
That's the nose. Ta-da! And this is his, I was going to say his hat, but that looks like it's part of the hat, part of the shawl.
It is part of the
scarf or whatever it is. It's just plain black fabric. And there's more orange. Yellowish orange, actually.
It'll tell us in there what to put it on.
Yeah. Nice. I think you can see that okay. That's nice. I like that. And this, it goes well with the gray. Put it together so you can see it. Look at that. That's really nice. I like that.
Okay. Well, we'll lay it all out here so everybody gets to see it. Wonderful. I really love this pattern,
Felt like we zipped through this video, too.
Well, let's see.
Oh, you didn't show that, did you?
Well, it's the project manager. It's
but it's a cute little piece of paper. I mean, you didn't show the paper. It's pretty.
That comes in there also.
I like that. And I hope we're done with snow. Let's put it that way. We had 1 day of snow, and it lasted how many days? Too many. It was cold.
So Creative Notions has kits. This is what I'm reading. Quilt kits. Calling your name. They said swing by the store, head over there and pick up your cozy masterpiece today. And it's showing 4 of them. Now there's more than 4, but there's 4 to start you out with, just to get you an idea. And it tells you what all is in the bag. Let's make sure we did everything.
Oh, okay. Now we're going to do the checklist. After we've checked it.
The pattern, the kit, the scissors, the yo-yo maker, the magnet, the block of the months. Yep, that's it. That's everything. Okay.
And then we'll go, oh, wait, we missed something. Where's it at?
So thanks, everybody, for watching. And thank you, Vicki. Your boxes are always fantastic. Your patterns are great. Okay, so wait a minute, because I want to know who did the pattern here.
Oh.
So we have winners. So we have the project winner as Jean Foot Thompson. I think it's Foot or with a silent E. We have the recipe winner as Melinda Dudgeon, I guess. You want to put your glasses on so you can read it? Because looking at this without your glasses on, I know you can't see it.
Shh. Don't be telling my secrets.
And the scrappy winner is Cindy Waters
Tolly. Funny, ha ha. Don't like having to wear glasses.
Well, that's it for the video. And like I said, I'm going to put it down here on the bottom so everybody can see it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
All right, so I just had to flip this over to show you the snowflakes and the nose that's going to go on that design there on the nose of that snowman. So here's everything that came in the box. And the yo-yo. Where's the other pattern? Oh, you got them on top of each other?
I didn't put those there.
Oh, you didn't move them, you just laid them.
No, I did not move them. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's all right.
All together.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
That's all right. Happy winter. Okay. There
I feel like there should be music in the background while you're doing that.
Go ahead, sing.
No, no, no.
I thought you wanted to sing or something.
No.
Okay, everybody. Thank you again for watching. Thanks, Vicky. Vicky, a wonderful, wonderful box. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.